These are the solutions to number 6 on the 2013 exam. All right, so we are given a differential equation right up here, and y equals f of x is the particular solution to the differential equation that passes through this point right here. And now for part A, we have to write an equation for the line tangent to the graph of the point at 1, 0. Okay, so let's do that first part before we go on to the second request in part A. So the tangent line we know has to have x1 equal to 1 and y1 equal to 0. So I'll put that in now. And then what we need is the slope. So on the side here, I am going to find the slope. And we know that dy dx, right, that's the derivative, and that is the slope. So we're just going to plug in our 1 for the x's and 0 for the y. So dy dx is equal to e to the 0 times 3 times 1 squared minus 6 times 1. That's 1 times 3 minus 6, which is negative 3. So now our line is y minus 0, which I'm just going to say is y, equals negative 3 times x minus 1. Okay, the next part says to use the tangent line to approximate f of 1.2. So here's our tangent line. I'm going to plug in 1.2. And we get negative 0.6. So that means that f of 1.2 is approximately negative 0.6. All right, for part B now, we are looking for the particular solution that passes through the point 1, 0. So now we've got to separate our variables. So let's see. Do I have enough room? I've got plenty of room. All right. So the equation that we're given I'm going to put x's on one side, y's on the other. And if I divide both sides by e to the y, I get e to the negative y. And then we will integrate both sides. Here we'll get negative e to the negative y is x cubed minus 3x squared plus c. And it's at this point that I'm going to use that 0.10 to find the value of c. So negative 1 equals 1 minus 3. So c is equal to 1. And now we will solve for y. So first I'm going to move that negative so that we get e to the negative y equals negative x cubed plus 3x squared minus 1. And then I'll take the natural log so we get negative y equals this stuff here. And then we've still got a negative here to take care of, so y equals negative natural log of negative x cubed plus 3x squared minus 1. and that is our solution.